Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can manage photo location tag in the NOKIA G42. So in the first step, open the camera app, then tap on the arrow icon and select the settings. Now just slide down and look for the location tag. Now if you want to take the photos with the localization info, just switch it on and add a permission. Of course, if you want to take the photos without, no, before that you have to add enable the GPS. So now we can take the photos with the localization info for the Instagram tags, for example. Of course, if you want to take the photos without any info about your real-time position, just switch it off like here, go back to the camera and take your photos. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.